Should you stay or should you sell? The answer is totally up to you, and it depends on a whole lot of different things. But here's one market stat that may make your decision easier. This graph shows the number of houses coming to the market is growing, and they're up pretty significantly from this time last year. So you've got more options right now than you would have had last year, and that's great. But there is a flip side to that. Each house that comes onto the market in our area could pull buyer attention away from your house. So to get the best of both worlds, you need a pro who knows exactly what's happening with inventory in the area, what the latest listings are, and how we can make your house stand out from the others. So when you're ready to get the ball rolling, give me a call, let's chat, get our strategy together, and get your house sold.